Exercise 21 from Law, Judges and Judiciary. Speed 120 word per minute. Guys, start. Sir, if all financial powers are distributed to the states and all sources of taxation are divided between the states, then how is this to be done? Therefore, even though the government of India collects several taxes, it is not as if they are all used for central government purposes. They are transferred to the states and not transferred in any way. A finance commission sits every 5 years and they suggest how it is to be done, and that is accepted. Then there is again the planning commission. If the country is to develop as a whole, unless there is a central planning commission, the states will go on doing things differently for different areas, and there will be, I am afraid, not development but cancellation of each other development. That can happen. We see what quarrels we have about the distribution of waters, about the question of the sales tax. There is a demand that the sales tax should be converted into an excise tax. We have said we should like to do it. I have always believed in it. But unless the states agree, we cannot do it. And I do not want to take away that power of the states. Therefore, we have to go on persuading them. If they agree, then a lot of corruption and a lot of harassment to people will have gone. But there are states which are well-to-do and there are states which are not well-to-do. The well-to-do states do not want this conversion, the others want the change. Now we are not thinking of the whole country. All the states do not think about it. When they begin to think about it, I am quite sure that things will be solved much more easily. But we have to work for it. Should we not see that there is a binding link for all the states which see to it that there is no division of the country on any account? And if that is also one of the purposes of the central government, it must have powers which enables it to do so. Can the military be distributed between the states? It cannot be. But what is the demand here? When the question of law and order comes, the opposition wants to blame the treasury benches for its deterioration. The position under the Constitution is that the states are responsible for law and order, but the opposition insists that we must act. Will you enable me to act in that manner? I would not like to take away those powers. We should help them in a manner to promote their interest in the state itself, and where the states fail to maintain law and order. Stop.